Did you know that EVgine enables you to turn any Class 1 through 4 used or new gas or diesel engine trucks into an all-electric truck? Our system can convert any type of truck into an all-electric truck while keeping 98% of the OEM parts. Here's how. Open the hood. The first steps is to remove the IC engine. Just disconnect the plugs and sensors from the engine and tuck them away into a safe place on the truck. None of the existing OEM wires are cut or removed. Next, remove the gas tank and the fuel lines. Remember to unplug the electrical connections and leave them in a secure place on the truck. Now remove the entire exhaust system. Unplug any electrical connections and leave them in a safe place on the truck. Once the engine block and exhaust system have been removed, install the Electric Motor Assembly, EMA, to the existing OEM engine mount block. Then, connect the EMA to the existing OEM bolts on the transmission housing. Next, reconnect the OEM water and air pump lines to the air and water port inlets and outlets on the EMA. Close the hood and connect 5 low-voltage wires to the OEM cab throttle pedal and key switch per instructions. Install the bed rails to the truck, which will raise the depth of the bed approximately 4 inches. Install the battery modules by bolting them to the bed as per instructions. Slide the new subfloor over the battery modules. Raising the height of the bed rails creates more room or truck storage space than before. There is no need to sacrifice any bed space to the battery pack. Now you can drive an electric truck with no special training, no special parts, at highway speeds, while transporting max payloads or towing max capacity. Enjoy your fully electric vehicle with EVgine. Learn more on evgine.com or type EVgine